Hey, look at there. What was this call for? A little what? Stairway to Heaven? Just kidding. So I wasn't originally going to do this project as ornate as I did. The client asked for a pizza peel, just a basic guitar cutout shape. And when I got into the project, I decided, you know what? I'm going to put a little Shaloha into this. And so I kind of did this project up. But anyway, I'm super stoked on how it came out. It is absolutely beautiful. The body is made out of hickory. And then in here, these inlays are, it's a mother of pearl. It's just a powdered mother of pearl inlays. This is a mahogany center core for where the hole is supposed to be. And then this is a black walnut neck with aluminum frets. So anyway, I think it came out absolutely beautiful. And I don't know, you guys tell me what you think. I'm going to throw some pictures here at the end, and you can take a, so you can get a good look at it. Anyway, well, thank you for watching this video, and thank you for being here one more time. And as always, hit the like and subscribe buttons, and Shaloha.